Hello there, folks. Double A Farms. Another gorgeous day in South Carolina. It is February the 28th. Hard to believe that we are 2 months done with 2025 already. Crazy. Anyway, out here working in the garden today. It's got the rows made. Switch this, I call row maker. Switch this plow out. Put on my hillers so I can heel up the road that I just made. So that's what we're working on today. Getting that done. Hopefully we'll get 2 rows done, I hope, to where hopefully I'm gonna get 2 rows made. We can go ahead and do potatoes and onions. Got this thing to where it's on these pieces here. I won't have to take them off, but I may have to do that anyway. It's gonna be aggravating. We're trying to be aggravating. I finally got that off. I like having these things already set up here. You can tell I've already got the hillers spaced where I want them. And I got them on this little bar. I've already got the one side on. That way I don't have to do guesswork whenever I get ready to get these out every year. I can just go straight into putting them on the tractor. And there's no guesswork getting the spacing and everything else right. That's why I had that. That's why I did that to the row maker I just had on plow. Anyway, next time when I need it, all I gotta do is put it on the tractor and go. So, makes my life a lot easier. So, anything to make life easier is worth it. Like I said, I got the proper spacing on these already for what I need for throwing dirt on the hills. I think actually almost don't look like it's right. May have to do some adjusting. I don't know why it would be off, but so it does look like it's wrong for some reason or another. I'll have to check it. Yeah, it's a little far out, so I'll have to change that a little bit. I say I don't know why it would be off, but the one on the, I guess you could say the right side of the tractor looks wrong for some reason. So let me get that changed. I figured out why it was so, that one was so wide. It's because it hilling potatoes last year. That's exactly why I had that out as wide. So I moved it when I healed up potatoes. That's exactly why I did it. So try to. This one needs to be moved up some. There we go. A whole lot more in that nut.